Hi, my name is Kayleen and I'm here in the BB studio for Maintenance Monday. Today I want to show you how to clean your Allegro 2 footbar track if it's getting really sticky when you try and move it up and down the frame. So this can be solved with a little bit of silicone spray and a rag. And we're actually going to look for the track that's inside the frame here. And you know you're in the right one if you can see this gray wheel here. This gray wheel is a part of the footbar assembly. So I'm going to spray my rag with some silicone and wipe the track. And if you feel any gunk in there, you want to get all that gunk out. Over time, sometimes you get sticky buildup. Okay, if you're having a hard time getting to those hard to reach places, you can use a toothbrush and really scrub inside. Do that on both sides, and hopefully that improves your footbar movement. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.